Welcome fellow traders. It's time for another trading session with BestBull tutorial. In today's video, we will explore different types of user interfaces, also known as arc views. Let's begin by locating the View tab in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a section called Themes and Arc View, where various themes and view options can be found. Let's discuss each of them individually. First is Arc Pro View. This is the current view displayed on the screen. Second is Exchange View. It offers a comprehensive trading experience and provides access to different features such as trading from F1 and F2. Third is Legacy View. Clicking on this option will switch to a view that includes a chart, navigator and various reports. So, according to your viewing preference, you can select among these three options. To return to the Arc Pro View, simply go back to the View tab and click on Arc Pro View. Moving on to the Theme button, it offers different theme options including Dark View, Sky View, Minimum Light and others. Selecting a theme will change the color scheme while keeping the view layout the same. Feel free to choose the theme that suits your preference. The second to last button is the Exchange View shortcuts. Clicking on it will open a window displaying different shortcuts that can help you speed up your trading activities. Lastly, we have the Language button, which allows you to choose between English or Arabic. Select the language that you prefer. By utilizing these different view options, themes and shortcuts, you can enhance your trading experience according to your preference. Thanks for watching.